So children, as I have already told you, the title of the story is The Goose and the Golden Eggs. The Goose and the Golden Eggs. Okay. Now come on, let's start the story. So this is a farmer in this picture, and this woman is his wife. Okay. And the farmer is holding a goose in his hand. The story is all about this farmer, his wife and the goose. Okay. Once there was a farmer and his wife in a small village. They used to work very hard so that they can buy a goose. And the day came when they really could buy it. So they became very happy that day. And you know, children, when early in the morning the next day the farmer went to collect the egg, they found a golden egg. My God! The farmer became very happy and excited. And he shouted, "Wow! Golden egg! We are lucky! We are very, very lucky to have a goose who lays golden egg." The farmer and his wife became very happy and excited. Okay, children, why do you think the farmer think himself he is lucky? Because the goose has given them golden egg. Every day the goose used to give the farmer a golden egg in the morning. So naturally and gradually they became very rich. Every day in the morning the farmer started collecting one golden egg. See, can you see the golden egg? Can you see the happiness in the face of the farmer and his wife? Yes, they are very happy. They are smiling. Every day they started collecting one golden egg. See how the egg is glittering? It's shining. Why? Because it is not a normal egg. It is a golden egg. And after a few days, they collected so many golden eggs. Many golden eggs they collected, and they became rich in this way. But one day, the farmer thought, "I am getting only one egg per day. In this way, it will take a lot of time to get more and more egg altogether." Suddenly, he got an idea. He thought that if the goose is giving one egg per day, it must be having so many eggs inside its stomach. So he thought of the idea and shared it with his wife. Do you know what they have done? What they did after that? The farmer took a big knife in his hand. See, the farmer is holding a knife. Yes or no? See? What was the idea? Now can you guess? The farmer's idea was to cut the goose. But after cutting the goose, he found nothing inside the goose. It was completely empty. But the goose died. Now the farmer and his wife were left with nothing. They became very sad. Children, tell me why they became sad. What is the reason which made them sad? Because of the idea to cut the goose and take out all the golden eggs from its stomach. They became very greedy. Only one golden egg was not enough for them. So they wanted to take out all the golden eggs from the goose's stomach. Tell me, was it a good idea? Was it right to kill the goose? Just for some eggs? No, it was not. So, children, tell me, what do you learn from this story? We learned that we must not be greedy. We must always try to be satisfied what we are having. And the moral of the story is, don't be greedy. Don't ever be greedy. Those who are greedy, they have to suffer in their life. Children, do you like this story? Isn't it a very educative story? You try to memorize this story and enjoy yourself. Thank you, children.